mo ti bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ kan rí gbogbo owó tẹ̀ ń ná kiri ìlú church bí yẹn ní kọ́ńtì ẹ̀yọ̀ kankan.
Yorùbá lọ wọ́n bọ̀ wọ́n ní bọ́mọdé bá ṣubú aluwájú tágbà bá ṣubú awọ ìwò tọ́lọ́gbọ́n bá já sí kòtò àwa bá ṣe jáde tí ọ̀ràn òmùgọ̀ bá já sí kòtò a tún bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní gbẹ́ kòtò ẹ̀ sí ni. We should understand something. When you are in a ditch and you start digging again, you are complicating the issue. I'm saying this because of what's happening between Alhaji Akewgbagold and Dr. Ibrahim. I think Alhaji Akewgbagold has made a lot of mistakes that I still believe personally that he can rectify. What are the mistakes? Before I even talk about the mistake, let me make something clear. Dr. Awa has never directly helped me in any way. I have not collected money from him. I have not used his influence. I have not used his name. But something is certain. When Dr. Awa enters anywhere I am, I will stand up and give him all the respect I can accord him. Why? Is that because I fear him? No. Or for Alawa Nawa Kimberu. But because Dr. Awa has earned every respect of an offer man. He has not helped me personally, but he has helped my people. We have people collecting salary from him without working for him. That's small. I'm a chartered accountant. We were supposed to belong to Ilorin district. But when one of our fathers, Alhaji Jayola, was the ICAN president, he called Dr. Awa. The two of them met, discussed. We didn't know what they discussed. But their discussion bats of our district of ICAN. And that's not the only thing. Alhaji Jayola used his influence as the ICAN president. Alhaji Awa used his own money as Baba Olowo, and they gave us a befitting edifice of a center of ICAN. That is also not very important compared to what I want to now make. Dr. Awana called us, the young ones, and said, take this money. I'm talking about millions of money. Go into the markets. Go into secondary schools. Go into anywhere. Go and catch people that has the potential to become a chartered accountant and make them chartered accountants. This is money. When you are done spending this, come. Give me a report. I'll give you another one. I'm not talking about 1 million. I'm not talking about 10 million. A lot of money. Now this is a man that is not selfish. He knows giving them stipend would not help them, would not change their story. He said, I have this opportunity because I am a chartered accountant. Being a chartered accountant is part of those things that helped me. Let me help them like that so that they also can become something. That's the kind of person Dr. Awa is. Now, I can tell you, the number of chartered accountants in offer has increased. Now he has built professionals. That's a legacy. Do you know how many families, how many people each of the chartered accountants can now help? That's what they call legacy. Irú èèyàn ẹ lẹ́yìn wá sọ pé mo sọ fún yín ẹ kàn lówó ní ẹ̀kọ́ kankan sọ fún no ẹ má dà á pọ̀ mọ́. He has done more than what he is supposed to do for us. Ṣiṣẹ́ owó sí wọn lọ́wọ́. He doesn't owe us, but he has paid us more than what we expect. That's the kind of spirit in of a man. He has paid his due. Now back to you, Alhaji Akewgbagold. Anything you say about Dr. Awa is not telling us about him. He is telling us about you. Dr. Awa, as I've said, has helped a lot of people. But she helped me and I help you. And you acknowledge that this man has helped you. Then you come online to tarnish his image. You can't tarnish his image. Ogun lo man shiniko, epe okin shinija. You are only telling us about you. They are not telling us about him. They are telling us about themselves. I'm really immoral. You are not telling us about Dr. Awa. You are telling us about you. That let me put it to you, sir. If there is another rich man that has been thinking of this Ramadan, I'll give Akewgbagold this to propagate Islam, do you think that man will still want to help you? You know the answer better. But if I'm another rich man that wants to help you, I think I'll think twice. because I'll be like, tó bá lè ṣe báyìí fún olóore tó ti ń ṣoore fún for more than 15 years, almost 2 decades. Who am I? And that's why your utterance is not about Dr. Awa, it's about you. I understand your plight. Kò sẹ́ni tí wọ́n á gé lọ ọ́ní ẹgẹ́ ṣe ń kẹ́ṣẹ́ ló ń tàpá, kò sẹ́ni tí wọ́n á gún nírin níkùn tí ò ní mira. Yes, kò sẹ́ni tí á lose the post imamship tẹ́tí invest everything you have into it tí kò ní tún gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹlẹ́ran ara. Yes, I understand that. But tí nǹkan bá bọ́ lọ́wọ́ èèyàn, that's not the time to start building fences, to start making enemies. No, that's the time to start building bridges. So that eléyìí tó bọ́ yẹn òun náà ló máa bọ́ mọ́ ẹ lè rí nǹkan míì. But now you've made everybody your enemy. You abuse this, you abuse this, you abuse this. No. Bàbá ló called you, ẹ má ṣe kínní. Èèyàn máa ń lẹ́ni tí èèyàn máa ń gbọ́rọ̀ sí lẹ́nu ni. Bàbá ló gan lẹ́ni tó máa ń gbọ́rọ̀ sí lẹ́nu. Ọba ìlú láwọn tó ẹ pé tó bá dà ọba ẹ mọ̀ ṣe báyìí ọba máa gbọ́. But you made it to look like you're on top of everything. You are not. Alhaji, orun tó wà lókè tó aṣọ gbẹ. Come online. Apologize. Meet these people. At least do some damage control. It can still be helpful. But if you continue on this lane, attacking them, attacking those that have helped you, making enemies for yourself, believing you can talk, because the time will come, there won't even be anything to say to justify yourself. I'm not advising you because I think I'm wiser, but I'm advising you because wọ́n bá ń ta draft, àwọn tó wà ń ta máa ń sábà ráyò ju ẹni tó ń ta lọ because of the pressure tó wà lára ẹni tó ń ta, and that's why I'm calling your attention to it. I'm not saying I'm wiser, no, but because of the pressure you are in, it's like you are doing some things emotionally under pressure, and I'm trying to call your attention to it. Don't make enemies for yourself. You don't need that. If you cannot make friends for yourself, keep quiet. That will be better than making enemies for yourself. You can apologize. Wale Olaole is my name. I'm trying to be Oluparija so that knowledge of Molon. Thank you for listening.